Happy New Year, it's Chris from Believe Pageant Consulting, and welcome to the introductory video of Pageant Dad Tips. Over the years, I've searched communities, friends, relatives, neighbors, pageant folks. Hey, I've even looked online, and there is no information for normal guys just like me about pageants. Men, we need to be the leaders in our game. We need to be the leaders in our family. In order to be the leaders and help that girl be the best she can be on that pageant day, we need to be the go-to guy on the field. I know, you're going to say, Chris, this isn't football. Chris, this isn't football. Yeah, but I kind of see it differently. You know, they have to train. They have to study. Hours and hours of practice in preparation for that pageant. And we need to be the go-to guy on the field. Instead of thinking about our wallet, we need to think about what else might they need. As a father, I've got 3 grown boys. I coach baseball, football. Not much of a basketball player. But I was really good in BMX. So I ran around the streets with them on the bicycles. And then one day, pops a little girl. What do? Volleyball? Softball? Baton? Pageants? I didn't know anything about pageants. It's time to take the reins. So I did. I've kind of gathered a vast array of information, tips, tricks, and now I want to share it with you. Dads, just like you, pageant dads, in order to empower you to be the best you can be, for your daughter to be the best she can be on pageant day. I've learned a lot over the years, and through these videos, I'm hoping to inspire you and empower you to really get close to your daughter through pageantry. Now, moms may like it, moms may not, but dads, it's your job to get in the trenches and really get involved in this pageantry thing. It's going to be fun, it's going to be creative, and you just might like it. You know what? Deep down inside, there's a pageant dad just crying to come out. Through these videos, I'm hoping to empower you or inspire you to get closer to your daughters and wives through this thing we call pageantry. Each video will have its own aspect that you may learn in order to be in tip-top shape come that pageant day. So sit tight, stay tuned, because if you're willing, you're not only going to be in the journey of your lifetime, but you're going to be in the pageant dad journey of your daughter's lifetime as well. If you want to share pictures or stories with me on Instagram, remember this, @ThePageantDad. And if you're interested in consulting help, look us up on Instagram and Facebook, Believe Pageant Consulting. Did you know that pageant dads have a site of their own? NAM Pageant Dads on Facebook. There's a private group of our own where we can exchange pictures, advice, and just talk amongst ourselves as pageant dads. Check it out on Facebook, NAM Pageant Dads. Well, that's it for now. And thank you for watching our introductory video. Look for our videos coming out within the next few weeks, and every few weeks after that following. I really hope you learn a lot from your journey. I know I have from mine. And remember, fathers, be good to your daughters.